Most game nights fall flat because the fun runs out too fast, but a mini foosball table can flip the energy instantly. Today I'm revealing the best compact tables that deliver real competition in small spaces. Welcome to my channel, and grab your favorite through the links below. The number 5 product on our list is Saycker Mini Foosball Table. Laughter travels faster than the ball on a small foosball table. The moment two players grip the rods, the room shifts from quiet to competitive. Many families want that energy at home, but hesitate because full-size tables demand space, budget, and permanent setup. That is where a compact design becomes a practical solution. Built with solid wood construction and steel rods, this tabletop version feels sturdy rather than flimsy. 4 stable legs keep it balanced during fast matches, while the smooth playing surface allows the ball to glide naturally across the field. Textured grips and fully rotatable rods make control responsive and satisfying. Its lightweight structure means you can place it on a dining table, desk, or even store it in a cabinet when not in use. Detachable components make packing simple, ideal for small apartments or shared spaces. The curved corners add a layer of safety for younger players, making it approachable for families with kids. The pros are durable build, portable size, smooth gameplay, comfortable handles, and easy storage. The cons include a smaller playing field compared to full-size arcade models and lighter weight that may require a steady surface during intense matches. Compared with larger standalone foosball tables that require dedicated floor space, this option prioritizes flexibility and affordability while still delivering engaging play. It suits children, teens, college students, and adults who want quick competitive fun without committing to a bulky setup. Set it on the table and watch ordinary afternoons turn into fast-paced tournaments filled with cheers and playful rivalry. At number 4 is Goplus Mini Foosball Table. Few things spark instant competition like the sharp click of a foosball rod snapping into motion. In seconds, casual conversation turns into focused rivalry. Many families dream of that arcade energy at home, but hesitate because full-size tables demand space and heavy budgets. A compact tabletop design solves that problem without sacrificing excitement. Built with a wide and smooth playing surface, it allows the ball to glide naturally, creating faster rallies and tighter control. 18 detailed players and a well-shaped goal box enhance the sense of realism. Anti-skid rubber handles feel secure in your grip, while the ergonomic design keeps hands comfortable during extended matches. Strong wood construction combined with solid steel rods adds durability, and 4 wooden legs provide stable support so the table stays steady during intense play. Its lightweight structure makes it easy to move from the kitchen counter to the coffee table or store away when guests leave. Assembly is straightforward, allowing you to set up quickly and focus on the game. The pros are sturdy build quality, smooth ball movement, comfortable grip design, portable convenience, and visual appeal that fits family rooms or party spaces. The cons include a smaller field compared to arcade models and lighter weight that may shift slightly on uneven surfaces. Compared with larger standalone options, this tabletop version prioritizes flexibility and space-saving practicality. It suits children, teens, college students, and adults who want competitive fun without dedicating a full room to it. Place it on the table and watch ordinary evenings transform into lively tournaments filled with laughter and quick reflexes. The third one on our list is Best Choice Mini Foosball Table. The sound of a spinning rod and a ball snapping into the net can turn an ordinary evening into a full-blown tournament. Families often want that arcade energy at home, yet worry about bulky tables that dominate a room or flimsy versions that wobble under pressure. This 40-inch tabletop design strikes a thoughtful balance. It offers enough playing surface to feel competitive while remaining compact enough for living rooms, dining areas, or dedicated game corners. The composite wood frame provides solid support, reinforced with non-slip strips on the legs and panel bottoms to keep the table steady during fast matches. Polished steel poles glide smoothly, giving players responsive control and a satisfying rhythm with every pass and shot. Removable legs make storage simple, so the table can be set up for weekend fun and tucked away when space is needed. Safety-certified plastic components add reassurance for households with children, meeting established standards without sacrificing durability. The pros are sturdy construction, ideal mid-size playing field, smooth steel rods, easy storage design, and family-friendly safety features. The cons include a lighter frame compared to full arcade models and limited room for larger groups around the table. Compared with smaller desktop foosball sets, this option delivers a more immersive experience without demanding permanent floor space. It suits families, teens, college students, and anyone who values shared indoor entertainment. Set it up once and watch how quickly casual moments transform into competitive matches filled with laughter and spirited rematches. On number 2 is Sport Squad Foosball Table. The fastest way to turn strangers into teammates is a spinning foosball rod and a ball racing toward the goal. Energy shifts instantly, laughter follows. Many people crave that arcade-style excitement at home, but hesitate because full-size tables demand permanent space and heavy lifting. A compact tabletop design answers that concern without shrinking the fun. Measuring 40 inches long and weighing about 15 pounds, it delivers competitive play while remaining easy to move from a dining table to a tailgate event. Pre-assembled players on chrome-plated steel rods speed up setup, so you spend less time building and more time playing. Rubber-grooved handles provide a firm grip for quick passes and powerful shots. The MDF construction adds durability, while non-marking rubber pads protect your furniture surfaces. Dual goal boxes with ball return keep matches flowing smoothly without constant interruptions. The pros are portable size, sturdy build, responsive steel rods, quick assembly, and surface protection features. The cons include a lighter frame compared to arcade-grade models and limited space for 4 adults to crowd around at once. Compared with smaller desktop versions that feel more like toys, this option offers a more authentic table soccer experience without taking over a room. It suits families, teens, college students, and anyone who values shared indoor entertainment. Place it at the center of your gathering and watch conversations transform into competitive rallies filled with cheers, friendly rivalries, and unforgettable moments. Now moving to the last one is WIN.MAX Mini Foosball Table. The sharp snap of a stainless steel rod striking the ball can turn an ordinary afternoon into a full-scale showdown. That instant surge of excitement is exactly what many families look for when searching for a quality tabletop soccer game. The challenge usually lies in durability. Thin boards warp, iron rods bend, handles slip at the worst possible moment. This upgraded design tackles those weak points directly. Stainless steel rods replace traditional iron, offering stronger resistance against bending while delivering smoother, more controlled spins. The handles feature deeper grooves, creating a firmer grip that stays steady during fast rallies. Thicker board construction adds structural stability, giving the table a solid feel that withstands competitive play. Even the player figures have been refined with sharper details, enhancing the visual experience and adding personality to every match. Safety is thoughtfully addressed through curved, bump-resistant corners, making it suitable for children while still engaging for adults. Its compact format keeps it easy to place on counters, desks, or playroom tables without overwhelming the space. The pros are upgraded stainless rods, thicker durable boards, improved grip design, refined player detailing, and family-friendly safety features. The cons include its smaller playing surface compared to arcade-sized tables and lighter weight that may require a stable base during intense matches. Compared with basic mini tables that focus mainly on affordability, this version emphasizes long-term sturdiness and improved handling. It is ideal for families, young players, and anyone who wants lively competition without dedicating an entire room to a game table. Set it down, grab the rods, and feel the energy shift from quiet to competitive in seconds. So guys, this was the video about the best mini foosball table. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.